Well, Mama has said that the blind is broken. And if you haven't already, or some people with fancy houses anyway, day night shade. This one's a night shade, it's one color. So, the string is broken. Oh no, what do I do? The blind won't stay up anymore. Typical, typical, typical. So, today we'll show you how to string the blind. It's real simple. These are the pieces that came off the wall with the screws. You know, cut them off, save them for later. Cut it off, save them for later. Now, on the bottom of here, it's got a plug there, and there's one over there. You pull the plug out. One of them probably comes out easier than the other. I should have took them out before we started. Yeah, see, that one come out easier. Then you slide this apart. Okay, got the bottom off. Now, don't lose the pieces. The top is the same way. You give it a pull or push or whatever. One of these two sides will come off, I think. I had that one. Uh-oh. Give it here. Pick it up. Good boy. Yeah, it's just such a good boy. Don't lose the pieces. Pretty simple. In the top, there's this fancy spring. It's got these fancy deals on it. You don't need those anymore. You get a good pair of scissors, because these scissors suck. You just cut that off the spring. Okay. Now, you pull the old string out. Now see, this string is still good, and this one isn't messed up. This string here is messed up. So we'll have to cut it off at this end. Then we'll pull it out of this end, maybe. Oh, it just gets wadded up. Pull it out like that. This string for the blind. Slide on the Amazon. You made this string the same length as this string. Tie this end back on the end here. Tie a good knot.
Good luck.
Otherwise it'll come apart and it won't work no more. Take your same string that you measured with before. Make it just a little longer. Oh, cut it off neatly. These are great scissors. Tie this end back on here. Maybe. Now you got that. The end of it will probably be frayed. Get lighter, heat it up. Not too much, don't burn it. And mash it down. It's gonna be hot when you mash it down. Okay, first then, go through the holes. Hook wrong hole. Go in the hole. Sometimes you can mash it all the way together. And push it all the way through the hole. If you're careful and easy in general, it'll go all the way through all the blinds. And you can pull back out. Take this side, heat it up a little bit, mash it out so it'll go in there, fold all this up, take that, put it in the hole, maybe it'll go in there, like that. Okay, so now you got both strings. Got your new knots. Got it all figured out. This is the top piece. Put the top piece back on, try to center the spring. Put it back on there. This one has a hole in it, so it's the bottom. This one doesn't have a hole in it, it's the top. Squish it in there, if it'll cooperate. Must be more here. Or maybe if I put it in the right side, the right direction. There you go. Now the whole key to the shade, to make it go up and down on the wall, this is the whole key. When you get to the bottom, you have to cross it. So if the one that's on the right has to come out the left hole. The one that's on the left has to come out the right hole. Now this is the really tricky part right here. You have to hold this string that's supposed to come out the right side. It's actually the left string. And put this back on here. Put that on there. Oh, I lost my piece. This is the bottom one. Put the string through the hole. Make sure you hold that the right direction. Of course I didn't. Put it back in there. And you take these two pieces. This one's got two holes, you won't be able to see them. It goes in the one hole on the inside, out the other hole. Put a little knot in it. Do the same thing with this one. And the one hole, maybe. Out the other one. Put a knot in it. And the blind is, well, wrapped around the cooler. The blind is fixed, ready to be hung back on the wall. Now, if this is a night shade, if it had the day shade underneath it, you'd take this string, come out down here, go out this hole. When you come out the bottom, you come. The whole secret to make them go up and down is to cross the string. That's all it is. And then when you put these in the wall, you wrap the string around the screw in a little plastic plate, and it makes tension. See? All healed. I hope you